Hey guys, this is Jam of JamOnline.ph and today we got here the Smart Bro Home WiFi 5G. So yes, this product is made para sa bahay nyo, sa mga pamilya na kailangan ng mabilis na internet. And unlike the home Wi-Fi that we have before in the market, this one comes with 5G. Basically, mas mabilis yung mga speeds na makukuha natin dito, better latency. So pag naglalaro kayo ng Mobile Legends, mas mabilis na yung patch niya because we got here 5G and mas maganda yung latency natin dito. So you will experience less lags. This is perfect lalo na ngayon na marami sa atin nag-work from home, marami sa atin nag-aaral sa bahay. So this is a perfect partner ng pamilya nyo in case you want to have a fast internet sa bahay nyo or a fiber-like speeds sa bahay nyo. Now, before natin pag-usapan ng kahit ano, unbox muna natin and alamin natin kung ano ba meron dito sa loob ng box na to. So we got here the box and of course the main features here. We got here the Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi, our Smart Bro SIM card, the quick user guide, a LAN cable, and of course, our DC power supply. So here's the Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G. As you can see in here, we got here 6 external antennas so you can have a better Wi-Fi at your home. We also got here the LED indicators for the Wi-Fi 6, 5G, 4G, the SIM card, and of course the system. At the back, we can see in here the power connector port. We also got here 2 GB Ethernet ports, which is why you can maximize and optimize the Wi-Fi 6 speeds with this router. We also got here the reset button and also the WPS button. On the right, we got here the SIM card slot and it supports a micro SIM card slot, and normally if you buy one, this one comes with a sticker. I just removed the sticker so that you could see the SIM card slot on the router. And since this one is capable of 5G, mas maganda yung makukuha nating speeds dito and latency. Bakit? Basically, ang magagawa nito is nasa less crowded tayo na 5G, unlike 4G that a lot of people are using right now. So with 5G, you'll get better speeds and better latency. And of course, mas maraming features na makukuha dito sa 5G. But huwag kayong mag-alala. If you're in the area na 4G lang ang meron, this one will still work. Hindi nyo naman kailangan na nasa 5G area lang kayo. And since this one is powered by Smart 5G, hindi kayo masyado mag-alala sa speeds because with Smart 5G, it has been awarded a lot of times ng UCLA na bilang pinakamabilis na 5G internet na meron dito sa Pilipinas. So I'm pretty confident na once you have 5G, you'll get a really fast speeds dito sa Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G. So, you might be wondering, paano nga ba gamitin to? Well, time to set it up. It's actually pretty easy to set it up. So first, all you need to do is, syempre, isaksak natin yung ating power supply. And of course, itaas natin yung ating antenna. And since we got here 6 antennas, the signal that we're getting from here, the Wi-Fi signal, is just good. I mean, I got a single condo lang na unit dito, but minsan umaabot pa sa labas yung kanyang signal, which is pretty good. And of course, bago tayo magsimula, kailangan muna natin antayin umilaw lahat ng mga kailangan natin umilaw. So, either na may 4G or 5G tayo, okay lang yon kahit ano. We also got here yung the light for the SIM card. Ibig sabihin, okay na siya. The system, which is okay since naka-blue siya. And of course, dapat naka-on yung ating Wi-Fi 6. You don't have to worry about the SIM card anymore because this one already comes with a Smart Bro SIM card sa loob ng router. And after connecting to our Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G, we need to set up everything that we need dito sa ating router, including the changing ng ating passwords ng ating Wi-Fi and of course, yung ating password na meron tayo dito sa ating admin settings. So once we've set up everything, you can now go to the settings of the Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G. Basically, makita nyo dito yung inyong mga connected devices and inyong signal dun sa home. You can also go for the account management, which is basically Giga Life, and where we'll talk about it later. Of course, meron din tayo ditong Wi-Fi basic setting if you want to configure yung inyong Wi-Fi setup. Of course, makikita mo rin dito yung mga devices na connected. The SMS in case you need to text using the SIM card inside the Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G. And of course, the advanced settings. Basically, yung mga normal consumers, hindi nyo na kailangan galawin to. All you need to do is to connect to sa internet and okay na kayo dito sa Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G. So going back dun sa sinabi ko kanina, we're using the Smart Giga Life application to check out yung ating load balance, yung natitira nating data na meron tayo dito sa ating Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G. It's a really cool application. That is the single application that you need for your Smart TNT and PLDT products para naka-streamline na yung mga load and balance na kailangan nyo makita. As for my placement sa bahay, I placed the prepaid home Wi-Fi 5G from Smart Bro sa malapit sa aking PC and malapit sa aking window. So basically, mas malakas yung makukuha nating signal dito even if I am inside my condominium. So if you're living in a condominium like me, it's better to place yung inyong prepaid home Wi-Fi 5G near the window para mas makakuha kayo ng better signal. Because mas magandang signal, this also means na mas mabilis yung speeds na makukuha natin dito. Since we've set up everything that we need on the Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G, let's do a speed test this time. So basically, what we're getting in here is fiber-like speed. So even if you don't have fiber sa bahay nyo, even if hindi abot ng kable or ng mga linya sa bahay nyo, but you got 5G in your home, well, wala na kayong magiging problema with that one because you can now get fiber-like speeds with the prepaid home Wi-Fi 5G from Smart Bro. So this is a really cool feature and I'm really looking forward na dumami pa yung cell sites ni Smart na may 5G so we can have a better signal and of course na wider coverage ng 5G dito sa Pilipinas. And again, and katulad nga na sinabi ko kanina, Smart has been awarded by Ookla as the fastest ISP dito pagdating sa 5G sa Pilipinas. So I'm really confident talaga pagdating sa internet speeds with the prepaid home Wi-Fi 5G. But hindi lang 5G yung meron tayo dito sa Smart Bro Prepaid Home Wi-Fi 5G. Meron din tayo dito Wi-Fi 6. Basically, with Wi-Fi 6, it's the next generation Wi-Fi. As long as supported yung devices nyo, you can get better latency, bigger bandwidth pag nagtatransfer kayo ng files from one device to another. So for example, you got two devices at home, nag-work from home kayo, and you need to transfer large media files. Well, mas mabilis na yan dito sa ating Wi-Fi 6. Mas malaki yung ating bandwidth. So even if marami nagtatransfer ng files sa loob ng bahay nyo, sa pamilya nyo, well, wala na kayong magiging problema with that one. As for me, I was able to try Steam Link. I was able to stream yung aking game from my PC to my smartphone and surprisingly, maganda yung ating streaming. Walang lags, walang latency, and wala ng artifacts compared doon sa Wi-Fi 5 which is yung previous generation. Again, you need to have a device that supports Wi-Fi 6 to maximize yung features ng ating Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G. So, para kanino nga ba ang Smart Bro Prepaid Home Wi-Fi 5G? Well, madali lang yan. Ito ay para sa mga pamilya or sa mga individuals na gusto maka-experience ng fiber-like speeds, gusto maka-experience ng 5G speeds sa bahay nyo, even if walang direct line sa inyo, if hindi possible sa inyo, this is the best way para magkameron kayo ng fast internet speeds. It's not just for those people na gusto na mabilis na internet para sa Zoom, sa calls, sa school, or sa work. This one is also perfect for gaming as you can get better latency. So even if naglalaro kayo ng Mobile Legends and other games like that, wala kayong magiging problema with the prepaid home Wi-Fi 5G from Smart Bro. And it's also jam-packed with features. We got here 6 external antennas. We got here Wi-Fi 6. So if you have a lot of devices sa bahay or marami kayo sa pamilya nyo, hindi kayo masyadong problema. And isang router lang kailangan nyo dito, malaki na yung range niya because of the external antennas. So if you want to experience the fast 5G internet speeds, you can get the Smart Bro Home Wi-Fi 5G for 15,995 pesos. So with this device, you can get fast internet speeds with better latency, and of course, we got Wi-Fi 6 as well. So I guess that's it dito sa ating review ng Smart Bro Prepaid Home Wi-Fi 5G. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and be sure to click the subscribe button along with that bell button to get notified of our latest videos here sa aking YouTube channel. So once again, I am Jam of JamOnline.ph. Thank you for watching, and see you guys again sa susunod na video.